In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Squarespace. First, sign in to your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, head to your main dashboard view and open the website where you want to sell tickets. This takes you into your site's backend, where all your commerce settings live. In the site menu, open Products and Services, then go into Products. For tickets, choose the Services category. Even though you're selling access to an event, not a physical item, services are perfect because they're delivered digitally and don't require shipping. Click Add Product, then select Service. This opens a new product editor where you'll set up your ticket. Start by entering a clear product name. Type Ticket for now. You can always make it more specific later, like General Admission Ticket or VIP Ticket, but we'll stick with what's shown here. Next, update the button text field and also type Ticket. This controls what customers see on the purchase button. Keeping it simple works well, and you can refine it once your page design is in place. Now set up how you'll collect attendee details. Click Create New Form. This attaches a form to the checkout flow so you can gather essentials like the attendee's name and email. Keep the form focused. Only ask for what you must have to run your event smoothly. Add a strong visual to your ticket. Click Add Images and upload a promotional image or event graphic. A compelling image can dramatically improve conversions and sets the right tone for your event page. Time to price your ticket. Click Price and enter 500. If you're offering a promotional rate, turn on the sale option by clicking On Sale and enter $3.99. That gives shoppers a clear incentive and shows both the original and discounted prices. Make sure your store currency is already set correctly in your commerce settings so the price displays as expected. Next, manage availability. Click Stock. If unlimited stock is on, turn it off so you can control capacity. Enter 100 to cap ticket sales at 100 seats. This prevents overselling and helps maintain your venue limits. If your event capacity changes, you can always come back and adjust this number. For internal tracking, click into the SKU field and add a simple identifier, like an abbreviated event code and date. While customers usually won't see this, it helps you reconcile orders and run reports later. Open the subscription section to confirm this is a one-time purchase, not a recurring payment. Tickets should be sold as single purchases, so just make sure no subscription frequency is applied unless that's intentionally part of your offering. Before you publish, set up taxes properly. Click Set up Automated Tax and follow the prompts. Squarespace's built-in flow will guide you through enabling tax calculation based on your location and your customers' locations, helping you stay compliant without manual rate updates. Now return to your product list and open your new ticket product to double-check the details: title, image, price, sale price, stock, and form connection. It's always a good idea to review everything in one place before going live. When you're happy, click Save. From here, you have a few publishing options. Click Publish to make the ticket live immediately so customers can buy right away. If you're still finalizing content elsewhere on the site, choose Save as Hidden to keep it off public pages while you prepare. You can still share a direct link if needed. Or click Schedule to automatically publish the ticket at a specific date and time, perfect for coordinated launches, early bird windows, or time-sensitive announcements. That's it. You've created a service product for your event, added the essential details, connected a form to capture attendee info, set accurate pricing in stock, handled taxes, and chosen the right publish option. Once live, test the checkout yourself to confirm everything flows as expected. With this setup, you'll be ready to start selling tickets confidently on your Squarespace site.